I would say there is no choice for us to improve, to go to a higher level. Otherwise, we will become obsolete. A very small example I'll say, some of you who have good technical knowledge will bear me out, but just a small few points just to make my point clear. There was a survey done by Microsoft about 2 years back. The logic behind it was that Microsoft is now trying to have the biggest share of what is called the cloud, and after losing initially to the to Apple, they are now dominating their presence in the field of cloud. So what they said in that survey report, that the entire data generated by mankind from antiquity till 2010, imagine the volume of data. That entire data is 1/10 of the data created by mankind after that. So see how things are changing. The purpose of giving this example is to highlight the importance that in the present world, when data has become so enormous after the advent of digital world, no department, particularly service sector, which we consider ourselves to be part of it, aren't we service sector? We all write IPS, services. So service sector, it is just not possible. I will give you one more example just to again highlight the importance of technology and the nuances of future crime. How, what generally people say, last year I was co-author of a book in which we tried to cover the entire transition of Hyderabad city in the last 400 years. And somebody asked me what could be the summary of that book, and I mentioned that from cycle patrol to cyber patrol. This is the transition of city police. And I think this sums up the transition of the entire police. The nature of crime, how it has changed, can be gauged by one simple example. Some of you who are doctors would know better than me that the diabetic patients who take insulin, either injection or a tablet, to maintain the optimum level of insulin in the body. Science and technology has grown so much that in America, in USA, there are 70,000 patients who have got a computerized chip fitted of an insulin pump which is injected in the body, not injected, which is implanted in the body. And based on the
that is a separate thing. But to prevent the crime and change the criminals from a lifetime pattern, you should have developed such a mechanism so that you can immediately communicate to the police party who is
only will be able to detect it after reaching there.
30 lines, dispatch 10 lines.
no. I will understand that. It shows that the car is in a slow position, and it shows that these cars are in a running position. Okay. But actually, do you recording their